Hi. Usually we're taking pictures when we're doing things, but Carla and I decided to try something a little bit different today. We're at our house and we had an old dryer vent that, as you could see, wasn't really attached to the wall right. It was just kind of sitting in there. And we had a concern about fire safety with everything. It kept clogging up. This is just some of the junk we found. So what we found was this. Happened to get this at Menards. And it's a dryer vent where it goes inside. It blows against this cap and then it lifts up and drops down. And this right here, lid closes and locks in place so that the cap doesn't go all the way up. And it also keeps any critters or anything. We get mice sometimes, the cats will tell you, doing that. So what I did was I already pre-drilled the wall with holes. Since it's masonry, I used one of these inserts. And actually this old brick is so hard, ended up melding the end of the one drill bit. And then I had to vent. I bought a sleeve and I cut it down a little bit for the length I needed to go inside here. So I'm just going to go ahead and attach it, put it all together. Put this in first. That's a one. Two. Nothing like a good rigid impact driver. Three. And four. Now there was a masonry flange here before, sticking out from the wall. I didn't want to disturb that since it's the side of the house that's hidden. I'm just going to go ahead and take some white caulk and go ahead and caulk around it. It's a little cold outside, so obviously this caulk is not going to be dried in one day, but that's alright. And I'll go back on the other side. Not quite as bad as the first side. For that little spot I couldn't reach. I'll just put some more right there. And as you can see, with everything together, it'll blow up. And if you can get a shot inside there, see how it goes down on. So okay, we'll take a real short video once the dryer's on and show you this in action, but don't know what we're going to do with this, but just playing around. Handyman, handy wife, signing off.